For same-sex couples, we have some very important new tax information. If you're watching this program and you have children or grandchildren who have married someone of the same gender, make sure you let them know the information we're about to give you. Here to explain is my law partner, Mike Solomon.
Hello, Lori.
Hi, Mike. So what's the big news here for same-sex couples?
Well, even if you've already filed your tax return for 2013, this is still important. Same-sex married couples, the IRS now allows to file joint married income tax returns, which for some couples can save them thousands of dollars of income tax.
And that's always a good thing.
Yes.
But I know same-sex marriages are not yet recognized in Ohio.
That's right. Now, Ohio doesn't recognize same-sex marriages, but if you were legally married, same-sex marriage in another state, and you live in Ohio, you can file a federal income tax return still as a married couple. You can't do that for Ohio, and that's where it gets a little complicated, because Ohio's tax return is based on the federal tax return, so it gets more complicated because Ohio at this point doesn't recognize same-sex marriages.
Okay, so how does a same-sex couple file tax returns for Ohio?
Well, what they have to do is they have to file as an individual or as a head of a household, and what they do is on the first page of the Ohio return there's a box you check, it's ITS, and you check that, and there's a separate form you fill out for Ohio, and what it does is it changes your joint federal income tax return as if you filed singly, as a single person, and recalculates your tax so that you can calculate your Ohio income tax.
Okay, so you can just kind of pull out of the federal just what there is for Ohio. Okay, since our tax returns were filed already in most cases for 2013, is there anything we can do to help cut the taxes for last year?
They can still go ahead and, if they've already filed their federal return, just go ahead and amend it. There's a form to amend a federal tax return, amend it, and file it as a joint couple at that point.
Okay. Doesn't sound all that complicated.
No.
But if people need more information, where can they go?
There are two websites you can go. I don't know if they're going to show it on the screen. Yes, they are. Ohio tax returns are at www.tax.ohio.gov, and the federal returns are at www.irs.gov, and you should be able to get all the information you need there.
All right. It was great tips here today again.
You're welcome.
If you or family members are a legally married same-sex couple, then you'll want to make sure you understand how the tax filing rules can benefit you, even though Ohio still refuses to recognize gay marriages. Even if it's legal in another state, Ohio isn't doing that yet, but the federal is allowing it. So the tax filing rules, though, because of that, are a lot more complex. If you have any questions at all, please give Mike a call.
Call Budish, Solomon, Steiner, and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information or to schedule a speaker for your organization. We also offer free CEUs and CCNs for nurses, social workers, and case managers. Or log on to www.bssplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. On next week's show, we'll prescribe the latest medical news to enhance your health. As we look ahead to summer, please, we'll look back at some warm memories of this season in Cleveland. We'll make Mom's Day with the perfect way to make her smile. And we'll construct a craft that will capture your creativity. But until then, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
Would you like to join our kitchen conversation? All you have to do is call toll-free 1-877-765-1543 and leave us your question, name, and phone number. Or log on to www.golden.tv for all the latest information and show updates.